Hello, it's Cameron from Strada here. Today I'm offering you this exclusive listing in rêve Residences, Dubai Marina. This 4-bedroom, fully upgraded penthouse offers over 6,200 square feet of luxury living space. We're offering it to the market today at 20 million dirhams. Let me take you a quick tour. Welcome to the living room. With marble flooring throughout, floor-to-ceiling windows, extended height ceilings, it offers plenty of natural light, making it the perfect place to host your family and friends. And coming into the dining room, which offers ample space for this 14-seater grand dining table, complemented by this chandelier and this unique 3 gold pillars artwork, which really gives this penthouse the maids touch. This large modern kitchen comes fully kitted out with melee appliances. It offers the opportunity of blue water's views whilst you're making your breakfast. As we continue our tour of this half-floor penthouse, we're led to this grand corridor leading to each of the 4 bedrooms. As you can see, the marble craftsmanship continues throughout. As you can see, this terrace offers sea views overlooking the Palm Jumeirah and Dubai Harbour. If you're interested in this penthouse, get in contact with me now.